Okay, I'm hoping to show you how this thing moves. So I've got a knife line there. I don't know if you can see that. So it's moving. It gets worse when it gets out. So even if I move that out here, right? I'm hoping you could see that back and forth. The saw does not cut straight. I've tried every which way. Also, every time I lock it down, it stops at a different spot. Actually, let's zero that out. So I just tightened it and it went off. Okay, it's at 0 right now. Loosen it up, move it over, come back to 0, tighten it up. It's at a different spot. Let's see if I can go that way. Come back. It's at a different spot. Once you tighten it up, it should come back, right? No. It should actually come back on the detent. Here we go. But I'm watching it. Nope. So I would have to have an indicator here. This is not a good saw. This is the Bosch Glide. And I'm going to say that this is a non-buy. This is first generation, I believe. I bought this used, and there's just too much play in the mechanism. All the mechanisms.